Craving fresh homemade meals but short on time? Want to create restaurant-quality dishes you're proud to share? Meet the all-new TM7, your personal kitchen assistant that lets you share your love like never before. With its sleek new design, larger display and open cooking mode, the TM7 takes cooking to the next level. Explore over 100,000 recipes on Cookie-Do with step-by-step guidance for perfect results every time. Enjoy a customizable experience with a TM7 that's tailored to you. It adapts to your preferences and remembers your favourites. The precision scale weighs ingredients to the gram as you add them. Its versatile blade chops, mixes, and grinds with its full power. The classic manual mode lets you control time, temperature, speed, and blade rotation direction for endless possibilities. Prepare entire meals effortlessly with multi-level cooking. While its even quieter motor lets you cook without disturbing precious moments in the newly designed, space-optimised Varoma, thanks to the steaming mode. Enhance flavours with the new browning mode, perfect for caramelising onions or searing meat. Experience seamless cooking with Bluetooth connectivity. And enjoy peace of mind with the new heat-insulated bowl. From delicious soups and everyday meals to delicate desserts, the TM7 helps you express your culinary love language. So why wait? It's time for the all-new TM7. Thermomix, like never before.